Welcome to Yes Channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Clock. What time is it? It's telling time in English. This is a clock. There are 12 numbers for 12 hours. There are two arrows. Short arrow shows hours. Long arrow shows minutes. Arrows move around and make circles. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Long arrow makes a full circle. Short arrow moves to the next number. Full circle for the short arrow makes 12 hours. When the long arrow makes a circle and points to 12, we say it's X o'clock. Short arrow points to the number of hours X. For example, it's 1 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. For the long arrow, there are 5 minutes time between two consecutive numbers. 12 numbers by 5 minutes is 60 minutes. 15 minutes time is called quarter. 30 minutes time is called half. When the long arrow is on the left side of a clock, we say 2. On the right side of a clock, we say past. Let's look at examples when we say past. What time is it? It's 5 past 2. It's 5 past 8. What time is it? It's 10 past 11. It's 10 past 6. What time is it? It's quarter past 4. It's quarter past 7. What time is it? It's 20 past 2. It's 20 past 10. What time is it? It's 25 past 8. It's 25 past 5. What time is it? It's half past 12. It's half past 6. And now let's look at examples when we say 2. What time is it? It's 25 to 9. It's 25 to 4. What time is it? It's 20 to 7. It's 20 to 3. What time is it? It's quarter to 4. It's quarter to 11. What time is it? It's 10 to 2. It's 10 to 9. What time is it? It's 5 to 4. It's 5 to 11. Let's repeat examples with past. What time is it? It's 5 past 2. It's 10 past 2. It's a quarter past 2. It's 20 past 2. It's 25 past 2. It's half past 2. And now let's repeat examples with 2. What time is it? It's 25 to 3. It's 20 to 3. It's a quarter to 3. It's 10 to 3. It's 5 to 3. It's 3 o'clock. See you again on Yes Channel. Remember to like and subscribe.